Jesus made it very clear that after his death, the Jewish system of worship would have no place in the role of salvation. It would be meaningless, as hard as that may be for some to hear. And one of the reasons why God allowed the Romans to come in and to destroy the second temple was so that the Jews could no longer keep performing their rituals and their sacrifices, so that they could no longer keep blaspheming and mocking the death of Christ, all right? God completely stripped the temple from them, and he even took the vessels or the furniture in the temple away from them as well. Let's look at this statement right here. This is Christ speaking about the temple when the Jews had rejected him. In Matthew 23, verse 38, he said to the Jews, "Behold, your house is left unto you desolate," all right? The temple would be desolate. In Matthew 24, verses 1 to 2, "And Jesus went out and departed from the temple, and his disciples came to him for to show him the buildings of the temple. And Jesus said unto them, See ye not all these things? Verily I say unto you, there shall not be left here one stone upon another that shall not be thrown down." This second temple, because of the Jews' apostasy, was going to be completely destroyed. And Jesus taught actually that in the future, people would no longer have to travel to Jerusalem, the literal Jerusalem, to the temple to worship. We read this in John chapter 4, verses 21 and 23. A Samaritan woman is speaking right here to Christ. She says, "Our fathers worshipped in this mountain, and ye say that in Jerusalem is the place where men ought to worship. Jesus saith unto her, Woman, believe me, the hour cometh when ye shall neither in this mountain nor yet at Jerusalem worship the Father. But the hour cometh, and now is, when the true worshipers shall worship the Father in spirit and in truth, for the Father seeketh such to worship him." All right, so we would not have to travel to Jerusalem to a third temple to worship God the Father. No. We can worship God in spirit and in truth.